Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope audio, video, everything is clear and fine, and we will be ready to start the discussion. It is going to be 18th of August 2026 current affairs, and I know that most of you have your examination on this weekend, that is for the pre-examination. So it's difficult to focus on the GA, but remember that when we are going for the mains examination at that time, the only subject which is going to help you to score a good marks, that will be GA, to keep you there nearby your merit list. Okay, चलिए फिर मूव करेंगे सेशन में quickly. Let's see what are the news highlights which we are going to cover today. And starting with the news highlight, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, had already adopted the different color band for the mutual fund investment in India. So if anyone want to make the investment in mutual fund, there are risk criteria. If the mutual fund is identified in the red color, it means it is a high risk criteria. Then orange color, moderate risk, low risk. Then green color, that will be low risk. This is how the mutual fund was categorized. Similar type of pattern will be adopted by the SEBI now for the debt instrument. Like if you want to make investment into bonds, debentures, government securities, debt instrument, not equity related. So for that also SEBI will be adopting this. So one of the best example, debt instrument, government security, treasury bill. So if the treasury bills are issued into the market, they will be issuing with the green color tag. That is 100% secure. Anyone can invest without any risk weightage. So this type of indicator will be associated and linked with the debt instrument. Now we'll cover in detail. Bank of Baroda raised around $700 million for the duration of 3-year and 5-year bond. International Financial Service Center Authority have given the approval recently to Nexent Capital as the investment banker in Gujarat, that is Gift City, Gujarat. IFSC have given this approval. So what are the authorities the company is going to get and work within the Gift City? What type of rules it will perform? Prime Minister Narendra Modi's news I have covered yesterday itself. So I have removed it today. That PM Modi have announced the nationwide sports talent identification campaign for the children between 5 years to 15 years to increase the participation of India in the Olympic Games. So if you have seen the session of yesterday, we have already covered it. If you have not covered yesterday's session, just go and watch that after this. Karnataka cabinet have approved Sandhya Kiran, a cashless healthcare scheme for the state pensioners, state government pensioners. Those who are working with the state government of Karnataka now got retired, getting pensions for them. Sandhya Kiran is the name of the cashless health welfare scheme that is launched by the Karnataka government. Up to 5 lakh rupee health insurance coverage will be available into that. चलिए मूव करेंगे सेशन की तरफ a little quicker, and here you will be able to get the PDF. If you want quick information videos regarding your preparation journey, you can follow me over the Instagram as well. So here is the Telegram group. This is the Insta ID in case of any doubt, question, confusion, or to get the simple 1 minute, 2 minute video regarding the preparation strategy that you can get over there. ठीक है, Sindhya Karnataka, correct. So Bank Foundation batch is a batch with the all 4 subject maths, reasoning, English, GE at one place. If you are preparing for all your upcoming mains examination, pre-examination, you can go for that. Asal 3.2 is the one-stop solution only for GE. Banking awareness, current affairs, financial market, insurance awareness. That's 2, the monthly current affairs, topic-wise, detailed discussion, then one-line question answer revision, then again MCQ revision, and after that quizzes. So many times you will be able to revise the same news within one batch, in depth, in detail. You can go for it without any hesitation. Homework के question check करते हैं. Where is the headquarter of NDB, New Development Bank, is located? Correct answer is Shanghai. Shanghai, China is the headquarter of the NDB, New Development Bank. Second question, in which of the following countries was the first Central Asian country to become the member of NDB, New Development Bank? The first Central Asian country to become the member. So it was Uzbekistan, Central Asian, Uzbekistan. So we are talking about NDB, New Development Bank. Total number of members in NDB are 11 members. So first 5 were the BRICS member: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. They were the old member. 5 members were old. After that, Bangladesh joined in the year 2021, then UAE in 2021, Egypt 2023, Algeria 2025, Colombia 2025, Uzbekistan in the year 2026. So these are the members of BRICS, New Development Bank. Which of the following is not one of the 7 cat under the Big Cat Alliance, International Big Cat Alliance? So all of the above are included in International Big Cat Alliance. Seven cats are, or cat categories are, tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, cheetah, jaguar, and puma. We have covered it in previous sessions also. So our TNA heroes are Saraswati, Ravindra, Chitra, Bharvita. After that, MCQs, better we don't get time. If you will observe, today also we will spend 1 hour. Today also we will spend 1 hour and we will be able to complete only news. So either we need to extend the timing from 1 hour to 1.5 hour, which is going to be very high for everyone to cover the daily current affairs, 1.5 hour. We'll see some alternative. I'll find some alternative if I'm able to get. We'll plan something else, that MCQs on the YT, like I'm not that interested actually, because I'm not finding that much interest of the candidate. Already everyone is following from the hustle batch, so that is why I'm putting till now MCQs in the hustle batch itself. But still, I'll see some alternative. So yeah, Bank Ambition, Ashok Raj, Aishwarya, Ashwin, Abhilaja, Raghu, Karuna, Sharan, Disha, Saraswati, Vandana, Chitra, Swati, then Sumedha and Rachna. Thank you guys. Thank you for answer. Let's see the homework question for tomorrow. Which of the following city is known as the City of Seven Islands? Second, Gateway of Eastern India. Third one, Manchester of South. Fourth one, which was the first fully solar powered airport in India? बहुत बढ़िया question, important for the examination. Starting with the news number 1. Securities and Exchange Board of India came with the new framework. So when we will be buying the bond from any platform, either we are buying the bonds from the platform like Zerodha, Grow, or any other application including Paytm and all, or we are buying the bond directly from online bond platform by SEBI. SEBI's online bond platform. Everywhere in the bonds, debentures, government security, color bands are going to be defined. Like there are color bands in the mutual fund also. So in the mutual fund they are using mostly 4 colors. Mutual fund mein wo mostly 4 colors use karte hain, that is your red, brown, yellow and green, like this in mutual fund. That it is risky, high risk, low risk, like this. Now in the debt instrument, that is bond, debenture, government security, in that, to identify what is the risk weightage, there will be 6 level of low to high or very high, low to very high risk weightage will be defined. So lowest risk weightage will be with the Irish green color. So Irish green color will give the lowest risk weightage. That will be triple A rating. So till now we are using the rating like this: triple A to D. Triple A means best, D means lowest. So हम use करते थे rating. Till now ratings were there. So triple A rating means if a bond is rated at triple A, means it is the most secure one. Now instead of writing triple A, it will be used Irish green color. Irish green color. And after that, double A plus, double A and double A minus, means in the A category. So very low credit risk, or you can say that very, very low. It was the lowest, so it was the very, very low credit risk. So it will use this color was Sharot color. Yeah. So Sharot. So this color is also look like very near to green. So this color will be used for this purpose. The neon yellow for the low risk credit. Then caramel, it will be moderate risk. Dark orange, it will be used for the risk of default, that a little moderate higher risk for the default. And red color, that will have the highest risk. So high risk, highest risk, we can say that in this category. So this is how your color band will be looking like. इस तरीके से आपका color band दिखेगा. This one will be green, then very low, this one Sharrots, then low risk, yellow, neon yellow, moderate, caramel, then orange color. Dark orange will show the a little high risk of the default, and highest risk will be coming with the red color, like this. Total 6 colors are going to be there. 6 colors honge. So there will be a replacement of alphabetic series to the color series. तो changes यहाँ पर ये आ रहे हैं, alphabetic series से color series में change किया जा रहा है in all the debt instrument over the platform. So either we are purchasing from the online bond platform provider, there also it is going to get updated, or we are purchasing from any broker, any broker or any digital platform like Grow, Zorodha, any such application, there also it will be updated. Now, in case if there is a unsecured debt instrument like debenture, where there is no collateral, we know the difference between bond and debenture. Bonds are secured, debentures are risky. So if there is a debt instrument that is debenture without any collateral, so in the capital letter unsecured will be defined over there. So there it is bold and defined unsecured. So it will be easy for anyone to identify, acha, this is an unsecured debt instrument. That is why they should either offer higher rate of interest or we should avoid investing into that. तो वो भी आपका clearly defined होना चाहिए यहाँ पर. Point clear है? So these are the updates from the side of SEBI for the day. Securities and Exchange Board of India, founded in the year 12th of April 1988, 30th of January 1992, it became the autonomous body according to the SEBI Act 1992, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarters. Tuhin Kant Pandey sir is the chairperson. Banking and financial news category. News number 1, public sector bank fraud value increases by 58%. Now this year we have seen a change. Number of frauds came down. Total number of digital banking frauds came down. But the amount involved into the fraud gone up. Total frauds तो आपके डिक्रीज हुए हैं, बट जो नंबर है, जो टोटल अमाउंट है फ्रॉड्स का, वो इंक्रीज हो गया. इट मींस लेस नंबर ऑफ फ्रॉड्स विथ हायर वैल्यू वाज हाई. सो पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक fraud value increases by 58% to 35,600 crore rupee in the financial year 26, that is last financial 25-26. 58% से वैल्यू आपका gone up हुआ है. While at the same time the total number of fraud declined by 79%. So it came down from 27,000 to just 5,700. 27,000 से decrease हो गए 5,700 पर आ गए. It is a clear indicator that the fraud values were very high. Means every fraud has very high value of the amount. Among the individual public sector bank, Indian Overseas Bank recorded the highest number of decline. 95% fraud cases in the year 2026. So maximum decline we have seen where in the Indian Overseas Bank. They have done better. Those who are going for IOB, LBO, written examination and interview, important point for you. How many of you are planning IOB, LBO? Raise your hand. Just give me confirmation. Then Central Bank of India and Indian Overseas Bank recorded 91% each decline in the fraud cases. The decline in the fraud cases are not uniform across the public sector banks. Some bank reported significant increase during the year. Like UCO Bank recorded 211% increase in the fraud cases. Bank of Maharashtra recorded 36%. So there are few banks where the number of cases got gone up, few banks where the number of cases got declined. Like Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Indian Bank, there the number of cases got declined. Union Bank of India recorded relatively marginal 3% increase in the digital fraud cases. I'll give you one suggestion practically. How many of you are from Tamil Nadu? Those who are watching the session currently from the Tamil Nadu, I would practically want to suggest you, there are 1 or 2 notifications this year on which you need to properly focus on, like SBI clerk notification and IOB LBO notification, especially the people, those who are from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. You need to focus on these notifications. The reason being, these are the notifications like IOB LBO is the notification where competition is not going to be that high. Practically competition is not going to be that high when we will compare with IBPS PO, SBI PO or other examination. So these are a cream notification for especially these two states, right? Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Yeah. So you guys need to focus on these notifications properly. Remaining, I'll create a separate video. Why I do avoid creating these type of video? Because other state people will feel I'm doing any type of like I'm not supporting them. It's not a case. Opportunities are available. I have not created opportunity, but I can make aware about the opportunity, that the opportunities are available. So I can create the video to make awareness, right? I cannot create it. That is the task of IBPS or SBI. Those who are releasing the notification, or IOB, they are releasing the notification. But I'll make the video regarding this because it is important. This year, which examination these 2-3 states can focus on, I'll definitely create a video. I'll inform with you guys. I'll inform you. So Union Bank of India, so there is no partiality from my side for other state. I am not creating the notification, right? You guys understand. Union Bank of India recorded relatively marginal 3% increase in the fraud during the 2026. Recoveries of the fraud cases doubled approximately to 2,500 crore rupee in the financial year 2026 with the previous year. So if you will see, total fraud was 35,600 crore. This was the total fraud. Out of total fraud, 2,500 crore rupee has been recovered. This is the amount which is recovered. Okay. So 35,000 was the total fraud. 2,500 crore rupee was the recovered amount. Still, the recovery was very, very low. Punjab and Sindh Bank recorded the highest recovery of 772 crore rupee. If you will see Punjab and Sindh Bank, yeah, Punjab and Sindh Bank is performing well compared to before. So Punjab and Sindh Bank, 772 crore rupee was the recovery, highest one. Second position, PNB in term of recovery. Recovery means have taken back money, was able to recover the money from the frauders. So that was the case. Punjab National Bank was on the second position. BOI was on the third position in this. Despite the recovery, but the recovery amount was very, very low because only 2,500 crore rupee was recovered out of 35,000 crore rupee. Government of India and Reserve Bank of India have taken multiple initiatives for the purpose of fighting against the digital banking frauds, like utilization of AI-based tool, Mule account monitoring system with the support of your Mule Hunter AI. Remember, Mule Hunter AI, utilization of AI tool. So with the support of that, both Government of India and RBI is continuously running the awareness campaigns as well by the WhatsApp, multiple communication channel over the call, and making the customers informed about to avoid the digital banking frauds. This was the news number one regarding data. Lots of data was there. Second news, not that important, but we'll cover quickly in two statements. Bank of Baroda announced to raise $700 million by the two different maturity period. $400 million will be raised with the support of 3-year bond. $300 million will be raised with the support of 5-year bond. Rate of interest will not be important for the examination, only the amount, bank name and the tenure. So 700 total, $400 million for 3-year and remaining $300 million for 5-year. This is what the money BOB is going to raise. Bank of Baroda, founded in the 1908. Vadodara, Gujarat is the headquarter. Dev Dutt Chand is the MD and CEO at present. Next news from IFSC, International Financial Service Center Authority, Gift City, Gujarat. So IFSC is the international market. It is a type of special economic zone that has been created in India, located in the Gift City, Gujarat. It is created for the Indian companies, foreign companies. They can set up their businesses within the Gift City and they can work under the international rules, international set of rules and regulations. They need not require to pay heavy taxes to the government of India. They are not required that much permissions to run their setup within the Gift City, Gujarat. This is what IFSCA is. Recently, IFSCA have given the approval for Nexton Capital IFSC Private Limited, which is a US-based company. This company got the approval to start their setup in the Gift City, Gujarat. Now, what this US-based company is going to do over there? Abhi karegi kya company, US-based company in the India. So, company will be getting involved into the acquisition, merger, IPO, FPO, underwriting, right issue, public issue. All these type of functions related to the stock market company is going to perform. So, it's a type of these all functions comes under the category of investment banking. So it's a type of investment banking which the company is going to offer. So any company want to get listed into stock market, they need underwriter. That we want to issue the stock, but we want to achieve all the stock targets also, like 90% of the total stock should be sold by the company. That is the rule of the SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. So according to that, the companies required support system from the underwriters. They need the support system from the underwriters. So this support will be provided by the company called Nexton. We have lots of Indian companies as well in this particular category. PNB, MetLife, after that your SBI Capital Marketplace. All these companies are the underwriters in India or investment bankers in India. But still foreign companies want to get into it because India is the country with almost first or second number of maximum number of IPOs in every year in the world. Last year in number of IPOs we were on top. Number of IPOs में हम top पर थे. So if you will taking the business only from the IPO, it's a great business for the investment bankers. So overall news was just a new company which is a US based company called Nextent Capital. This company got the approval to set up their office within Gifted City, Gujarat. Now they will be offering the investment banking opportunities within India. India में investment opportunities को जो है offer करेंगे. ठीक है. IFSCA, that is IFSCA is your International Financial Service Center Authority, established on 27th of April 2000 under the International Financial Service Center Authority Act of 2019. And currently, very important point is Mr. K. Rajaraman is the current chairperson of the IFSCA, taken charge on 18th of August 2026. K. Rajaraman. Mr. Uday S. Kotak is the chairperson of Gift City, Gujarat. Clear? Next one. NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. What is NCLT? So NCLT is a specialized court that is formed in India to resolve the NPA related dispute between bank and a company. For example, there is a company called XYZ Limited. XYZ Limited, this is a company. Company took the loan from Punjab National Bank around 3,000 crore rupee, and company stopped paying EMI. Loan became NPA, non-performing asset. Bank started involving into the recovery process. Company went to the court that we don't have money, we are insolvent. There is a process now. Company itself can go to the court that we don't have money, we are insolvent now, we can't pay 3,000 crore rupee. Then the court will get involved into that. Court will see that if the bank is able to acquire the company and want to run the functions further to run the company profitable, or bank want to acquire the company assets for the purpose of conducting the auctions. Anyhow, at least some amount of money bank is able to recover by the acquisition. So for that, the specialized court which are created in India called NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. Similar to that, we have DRT as well, Debt Recovery Tribunal. The difference is NCLT created for the corporate insolvencies or corporate NPAs, while DRT, Debt Recovery Tribunals, are created for the purpose of resolving the individual NPA. So car loan, home loan, personal loan, education loan, credit card related disputes, all that goes to DRT, Debt Recovery Tribunal, if the amount are higher. Agar amount bade hain to. The recent update is NCLT launches electronic inspection, electronic e-certified copy in New Delhi. Now, whenever any bank or company raising the request of insolvency in the NCLT, immediately their e-copy will be generated. E-verification will be done and e-copy will be generated in the real time. Previously, it was taking time. 3 days, 4 days, working days to give the clarity that, okay, your application has been accepted and now we will be moving for the further process or proceedings of NCLT. We will be moving into that. It was taking time. But now it can be done in the real time. It can be done, verification can be done online, and electronic inspection receipt will be issued online itself. This is what the new update regarding NCLT, nothing more than that. So what is the news? NCLT will be launching e-inspection and e-certified copy in Delhi. Currently it is launched in NCLT Delhi. Slowly it will be implemented at other places also in India to provide the faster digital access for the judicial record. And the initiative is the part of e-court 2.0 initiative, where the verification, registration, complaints, everything can be done online. And the point is, bank and that company need not require to carry the hard copy all the time for the proceedings purpose. It can be maintained digitally. So NCLT, it is a quasi-judicial body in India, deals with the matter related to the companies and the corporate law. NCLT established on 1st of June 2016 under the section of 408 of Companies Act 2013. Mr. Anuprinder Singh Grewal is the president of NCLT at present. Clear? Next one. Appointment resignation पर आते हैं. Simple appointment है. Mr. Ashish Singh has been appointed as the managing director. Ashish Singh has been appointed as the managing director and CEO of Manappuram Finance Limited for the duration of 5 years, started from 1st of January 2027. Mr. Ashish will be taking charge in place of Mr. VP Nanda Kumar. Why? What is the reason? Why this change? The reason being, it is a very important news. there is a big update in term of FDI investment in India. There is a Ban Capital, which is a US based company. This Ban Capital acquiring around 46% stake in Manappuram. So this Ban Capital is in process to acquire approximately 46% total stake of the Manappuram Finance. ये acquire कर रहे हैं. They are a very old investors in Manappuram Finance, but now they are acquiring approximately 46% stake in this. 46 means they will be holding sufficient capacity of the shares to decide the company policy. It's huge shareholding, right? So they will be easily able to decide the company policies in the upcoming days. So this point also we need to remember. So after this, Mr. Ashish Singh has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Manappuram Finance. Started from 1st of January 2027, he is going to take the charge, and in place of Mr. VP Nandakumar. Natarajan Chandrasekharan sir, this news you might have seen over the Instagram or some YouTube channel, and all till now 100% you have seen over almost everywhere it was there in the news. But my objective is to keep it for the examination. Natarajan Chandrasekharan sir, the chairperson of the Tata Group, he have announced that in the month of February 2027, when his tenure is going to get complete, he is not going to continue from Feb 2027 onwards on the position of chairperson. The moment he announced, same day, the share prices of Tata Group came down in multiple sector, including Tata Motors and all. Same day, unke share prices niche aaye the, just because of the announcement that the management is going to get changed. The reason being, Natarajan Chandrasekharan itself became a brand. He joined Tata Group long back, and he's serving as the chairperson of the Tata Group from the year 2022 onwards. He's serving on the position of the chairperson, right? And first he was appointed in 17, then he was reappointed in 22. So 17 onwards, he is the chairperson. He became the CEO of the Tata Group in the year 2009. Not Tata Group, but Tata Consultancy Services. So he started leading Tata Consultancy Services first in the year 2009, and after that, in the year 2017, he took the complete command over the Tata Group. From that time, almost 10 years, he is the chairperson and managing director of the Tata Group. Now, for the third term tenure, he said no. There is a little dispute between the board of directors and all. Because of that, he said. So, the CEO and managing director of the TCS, Chandrasekharan, helped TCS to perform achievements unke bataye hue, that what are the achievements which he had. So, at the time of Chandrasekharan sir itself, Air India came back to the family of Tata Group in the year 2022. And multiple acquisition of the startups were also done, like Big Basket, 1MG, Chroma, Tata Neo, all these new broader category which were included in the Tata ecosystem at the time of N. Chandrasekharan sir. 1868, the company was founded, means the company was incorporated, and 1917 company was converted into a proper limited company. Mumbai, Maharashtra is the headquarter. This is the details. Now, who will be the next chairperson? Not yet announced. It will take time. Manohar Lal Paliwal appointed as the part-time non-official director of UCO Bank. Not very important. We will cover only in one line. So, he is a chartered accountant who, Mr. Manohar Lal Paliwal, appointed as the non-official director of the UCO Bank at present. UCO Bank, 1943 it was formed, Kolkata, West Bengal headquarter. Mr. Ashwini Kumar is the MD and CEO. National news पर आते हैं. नीति आयोग releases the report regarding the key sector position India at the global manufacturing hub. What are the key sectors? So in the 4 sectors, India need improvement, and India is already doing good in all the 4 sectors to increase the position of India in the global manufacturing hub. These 4 sectors are the sectors where India need a complete focus. These are the 4 sectors defined by Niti Aayog. Question in the examination can be like this: which of the 4 sectors which are defined by the Niti Aayog recently to make India as a global power in the manufacturing hub? So these sectors are chemical, textile, telecom, and solar photovoltaic. So telecom and networking same hai. Solar photovoltaic, that will be solar PV, will be the 4th one. Solar PV manufacturing. So chemical, textile, telecom, and solar PV. These are the 4 sectors in which India need to perform well. The assessment consider the factor like market potential, very high infrastructure readiness, that all these sectors are already doing good in India. A little more push, India will become the market leader across the world in these areas. Policy support is also there, raw material availability, technology readiness, employment potential, India's position in the global chain. Means India already doing good in these sectors. We have capacity, we have raw material within India. After that, workforce is also available within India. So all these sectors are able to do good. Like chemical sector, India can increase the domestic value addition by expanding the downstream production. If we will be increasing more production in the small areas, small cities, and feedstock utilization, reducing the import dependency, we can become the global market leader in the field of chemical sector as well. Second, textile, we are already doing good in the field of textile. India is on the second position in multiple areas, in term of production, in term of capacity building, job sector also will see. So textile is playing very important role. The sector contribute approximately 2% of the India's GDP rate and 9% of the merchandise export. The total goods export, 9% done directly from the textile sector. Now, solar PV sector, India have 106 gigawatts solar power installed capacity by March 2025. India need to add 174 gigawatt to achieve 280 gigawatt by the year 2030. India will do that for sure because we are doing good in terms of solar energy as well. Then telecom networking sector, India is the second largest telecommunication market after China with more than 1.2 billion subscribers, around 85% of the telecom penetration and nearly 75% internet uses. So these are the areas in which India need growth and India is already doing good. Both points. Report issues by Niti Aayog. ठीक है. Supreme Court urged 19 states and union territories to announce cancer as a notifiable disease. Already 17 states out of 36 made announcement cancer as a notifiable disease. Cancer, it's continuously increasing in India. You might be aware about India is known as the cancer capital of world also nowadays. Cancer capital of the world because of the maximum number of cancer cases. Reason, different type of cancer cases, different type of and smoking is also very high in India. These are the reasons. 17 states have already announced out of 36 that it is a notifiable disease. It means continuous screening, continuous monitoring, real-time observation and early detection and prevention. All these are implemented by the 17 states in India. Remaining 19 states and union territories required to announce this. बाकी को भी इन्होंने बोला है that you should also announce. ठीक है. So yeah, direction came after the PIL seeking the declaration of the cancer as a notifiable disease across India. The court further sought the measure implementing the cancer screening across the country. कि भाई पूरे country में हमको implement करना चाहिए. Supreme Court of India issues this order. Gujarat releases 20 black buck into Bunny grassland to restore the native wildlife. So Gujarat Forest Department releases 20 black buck into Bunny grassland of Kutch, Gujarat on 80th Independence Day with the technical support from Green Zoological Rescue and Rehabilitation Center of Vantara, that Ambani family, Vantara, their personal zoo. So that is Vantara. 20 black buck comprises 5 male, 15 female, transferred from Vantara facility in Jamnagar after obtaining approval from the Chief Wildlife Warden of Gujarat and Central Zoo Authority. So they are relocated to Bunny grassland. So Bunny grassland will be redeveloped again. There is a target of translocation of 500 black bucks, 100 chinkara in the Bunny grassland. So इसको वापस से redevelop किया जा रहा है Bunny grassland को. So on the occasion of the Independence Day, 20 black bucks were released in the Bunny grassland of Gujarat. Gujarat, Bhupen Patel is the Chief Minister, Acharya Devvrat is the Governor of the state. India formed a high-powered committee to review the Tista Barrage project, that is Tista Dam project. So Tista Barrage project in the West Bengal, it is a very, very important project because it is not the project of national importance. It is a project of international importance. International importance project है. A 12-member committee has been formed by the Government of India to review the performance of Tista project, renovation of this project, maintenance of this project in the upcoming years, आने वाले सालों में. The committee was formed on 10th of July, chaired by the chairman of the Central Water Commission, Mr. Anupam Prasad is the current chairperson, with the mandate to submit the report within 6 months. So this committee need to submit the report within 6 months. Committee also have the representative from Sikkim, West Bengal as a joint secretary level or equivalent. The committee will assess water utilization, future water demand, water availability, management of the Tista river basin while examining the impact of the climate change as well. Now, why this Tista is a very important, or not only for the national but the news of international importance? Because Tista river originated in Himalaya, flow through Sikkim, then West Bengal, and then enter into Bangladesh. So it is a international river which starts in Himalaya, enter into Sikkim, then flows from West Bengal and goes into Bangladesh, making it important for both India and Bangladesh. Now, the Bangladesh sought Chinese involvement for the long pending Tista project aim improving the flood control, irrigation, river navigation and dry season water availability. So now what Chinese are doing means China is suggesting or giving the suggestion to Bangladesh that we will support you in the flood management, we will help you in the dam construction, we will support you for the water management, all these things in these areas we will support you, which is not good for India, because till now this Tista river was a river which was managed between India and Bangladesh peacefully. अभी तक हम दोनों peacefully manage कर रहे थे. Now third party will get involved, there might be an issue and they might have their personal focus that they will be able to get certain advantage out of that project. Definitely, maybe the electricity production or any other sort of advantage. So this is not good for India. That is why the government of India created this committee. इसलिए सरकार ने committee form की है. Committee need to submit the report in the next 6 months. It is a 12-member committee formed under the chairmanship of Chairman of Central Water Commission, Mr. Anupam Prasad. I hope the news is clear. Clear? So West Bengal, Swendu Adhikari is the Chief Minister, R.N. Ravi is the Governor, Kolkata is the capital. International news पर आते हैं. India, Nepal to complete unmanned aerial vehicle based cross-border land mapping within 3 years. So with the support of drones, India and Nepal, a joint team will conduct the survey of the border areas. Like Indians, imagine Indians, those who belongs to India, but they might be doing any type of agriculture or cultivation in the land area which comes under Nepal. Or for example, Nepal, the people from Nepal, they are staying in some remote area. They are doing any type of cultivation activity, agriculture activity, right? Animal husbandry, and they are doing over the land of India. So this need to be identified. इसको identify करना है. So to identify, document the areas where citizens of either of the countries are cultivating or residing on the land on technically falling under the territory of other country. I hope you are getting my point. So technically that is the land area of Nepal, but Indians are staying over there. Or technically the land area of India, but Nepalis are staying over there. So that type of survey will be conducted with the support of drone by India and Nepal together. In the next 3 years, they will be conducting it. So UAV based survey expected to begin after the monsoon around September-October 2026. The decision was taken during 13th meeting of the Survey Official Committee held in Lucknow. Lucknow, this meeting was held and after that it was decided. The committee will be formed by the officers of both the countries together. So survey will be conducted with the transparency properly. Okay. The aerial image captured by UAV will be jointly analyzed by India and Nepal, determine the extent of the cross-border land occupation and establish a common technical assessment. A common technical assessment जिसमें create किया जा सकता है. So Nepal, India and Nepal share approximately 1,880 km long international border passing through 27 districts. Kathmandu is the capital. Ramchandra Paudel is the president and Mr. Balen Shah is the prime minister of the country at present. Next one. India and Nepal signed MOU for 8 development projects under the High Impact Community Development Project. India will be supporting to Nepal with approximately $803 million Nepalese rupee project. So these are the projects which are going to be implemented in the field of mainly education, healthcare, rural infrastructure and livelihood. India will be supporting to Nepal. So 8 development project costing around 803 million Nepalese rupee, India will be supporting to Nepal. This was the MOU signed between India and Nepal. स्टेट न्यूज पर आते हैं. आंध्र प्रदेश साइंड MOU with understanding MOU for the lithium gallium exploration and mining technology development. Andhra Pradesh government signed MOU with the Council of Scientific Industrial Research National Geophysical Research Institution located in Hyderabad. Objective: Andhra government is going to take the support system from this scientific research institution for exploration related to lithium gallium deposits in Vampalle area of Kadapa Basin. So Kadapa Basin, there lithium and gallium, that reserves are available. So for the exploration of these reserves, Andhra Pradesh government is going to take the support system. Andhra government inka support lega. The estimated concentration of the lithium is around 1000 part per million, while gallium is estimated 250. Technical things hai, you can even skip. The exploration will be fully funded by the National Mineral Exploration Trust with the estimated of around 140 crore rupee. Andhra Pradesh government also signed MOU. Andhra government have also signed MOU with the Indian Institute of Technology Mines Dhanbad to promote the research skill development in the mining sector within the state. So within the mining sector, to increase the exploration, conducting research, Dhanbad based Indian Institute of Technology, that is Indian School of Mines, there itself the MOU has signed. उनके साथ भी MOU sign हुआ है. Karnataka government have recently approved Sandhya Kiran, a cashless healthcare scheme for the state pensioners, state government retired officials. For them, up to 5 lakh rupee health insurance coverage will be available. Those who are up to the age of 70 years, for them as well as for their family members. तो उनके लिए और उनके family के लिए available होगा. It will be initially provided to 4.9 lakh beneficiaries, including 3.11 lakh state government pensioners below 70 and their eligible dependent. So family members will also be included into that. Sandhya Kiran is the name of the facility. ठीक है, स्कीम का नाम है संध्या किरण. Up to 5 lakh rupee on the family floater basis, secondary, tertiary, emergency healthcare services will be available in the hospital cashless. DK Shivkumar is the Chief Minister. Thawar Chand Gehlot is the Governor. Bangalore is the capital of the state. So this is done from my side for the day. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. थोड़े से न्यूज में और स्टार्ट करूंगा कल से ऐड करना. It was taking a little more time for adding the news in the recent days. So I'll add from tomorrow more number of news. Okay. Thank you for joining the session. And I'll make a video, Gautam. Don't worry about that. I'll make the video that why you should focus on which examination regarding this. Thank you for joining the session. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.